Well, hello. My name is Duke, the dog, as you can see. And let's see, the pandemic for me started about 7 years ago, so it's been quite a long time. The beginning of the pandemic was absolutely scrundiddlyumptious. It was doggy heaven. My owner was home. He wasn't leaving. I was walking like once a day. I was eating twice a day, which is the normal amount for a pup, but it felt more special with him watching me. Where things got a little weird during the pandemic is when my owner's girlfriend, well, left him.
I still love you! Sarah, don't do this.
And my owner became quite a bit needy. When my human lost his lover, he started to really like to spend time with me. And that included a lot of walks. And I love walks. I'm a dog. But here's the thing, we weren't going on 1 walk a day. No. We weren't going on 2 walks a day. We were going on 13 walks a day. The same loop. I hate walks now. I hate walking. I don't walk anymore. I roll. I roll and I scoot. My human, he also loves to play ball. And I love to play ball. I'm a dog. But here's the thing. There's a certain limit I have on ball time. I like, 30 minutes. He likes 4 hours. That's too much ball. You have too much time on your hands. And the snuggling has become passionless, if you will. It's just depressing. He just seems sad all of the time. But perhaps my biggest pet peeve of all, that he watches me poop and he waits with a bag to come pick it up when I'm done. Who does that? And then, when I come out for my 3 p.m. snack, where's the poop? There's no poop to eat, my friends. No poop.
You're home early.
Who, but get that thing out of my face. Who is this?
Take a seat. I have something that I need to tell you.
Okay.
You have been... Oh my God, this is hard. You have been so needy.
Needy? I'm needy. You know, things have been pretty hard on me recently. Sarah broke up with me months ago, and today she had the heart to fire me on my birthday, which you didn't remember. And on top of that, we're living in a pandemic, so whoop-de-fucking-do. My apologies for being needy.
Okay. First of all, rough. Second of all, a little bit dramatic on your...
Dramatic?
Yeah.
I'm being dramatic. You think you're a fucking dog. I just want my son back.
Whoa! Whoa! Where is that coming from, owner?
Where is that coming from? We play ball. You shit on the lawn. Our neighbors think we're fucking insane. You're a person. You're human, Alan. I want my...
certainly a direct descendant from a canine. Without a doubt.
Where the fuck is that accent coming from? What is that?
It's a dog accent.
Dogs don't fucking speak. If you want to be a dog, shut the fuck up.
It's a dog accent.
Oh,
It's a dog accent. It's a... Right?
you think you're a fucking dog.
I'm a dog.
Alan, I can't take it anymore. The doctor said it was just a phase. It's been 9 months now. 10 tomorrow. I can't do this anymore.
Actually, 6 years.
Oh, shut the fuck up.
No, Dad!
I'm sorry, that was a bit...
Oh, no, I'm sorry. That was,
I know that.
I might have gotten carried away.
Yeah, I mean, me too.
I'm sorry. It's been It's just been a weird time. It's been a weird time.
What's that?
I might have door dashed some kibble. Blue Buffalo. It's actually pretty good. I'm like fully serious. It tastes like chicken wings.
Well, why don't we make it kibble for two?
You really mean it?
Why not?